However, since they cannot buy the advanced EUV lithography machines from the Dutch company ASML, they may face difficulties in order to proceed with such a space. Chinese firms will likely produce only about 2% of world's advanced AI chips this year. To produce a 7 nanometer chip, they have to use complex, expensive patterning techniques with older machines, which results in lower yields and higher power consumption. India, on the other hand, is finally moving from policy to manufacturing. India's present strength is and always has been the design sector. Today, India accounts for 20% of world's semiconductor design workforce, which roughly stands around 150,000 engineers. The manufacturing gap, however, is a huge problem that India must focus upon. India currently contributes less than 0.5% of global fabrication capacity, but for the first time, this is changing. The government has approved 10 semiconductor units with an investment of over rupees 1.6 lakh crores, that stands around $19 billion. These include a silicon fab by the Tata Group and the multiple ATMP assembly, testing, marking, and packaging units. 4 of these plants are slated to begin production in 2026. Yet the challenges are immediate. A single fab needs 169 megawatt hours of power and 8.9 million gallons of ultra pure water every day. India's infrastructure must meet these demands in order to run it sustainably. Goldman Sachs projects that by 2035, to meet domestic demand, China will need to install over 2,200 new lithography systems, including 212 EUV machines. The problem is they do not have the EUV technology yet, and they are not getting it from the West anytime soon. So China's future of manufacturing would be completely dependent upon how well they can crack the physics of lithography. Companies like Huawei are building intelligent computing clusters, strapping thousands of less powerful chips together to mimic a supercomputer. And despite the hardware gap, Chinese AI startups like Zipu AI are reporting breakthroughs using these domestic clusters. But as filings show, these companies spend far more on cloud computing than they earn in revenue. So China's future is a high-cost, high-pressure race to innovate under sanctions.